Morning chores are not glamorous when you got a newborn strapped to your chest. It's fine, it's all fine, everything's fine. Yay. Chicken feed. Got it. All right, let's see how I can get this inside the coop. I didn't need this. Apparently it was already pretty full and I didn't check it before I came in here, so. Whoa! Lady! Ah! Let's try that again. Icy, icy, icy. Oh my gosh. Ow! Okay. I feel like a wet dog. I don't know how to get the lid off. What the heck? I'm not strong enough. One-handed. Oh my gosh. Oh. You can tell my husband put that on because that is way too tough. All right. All right, we're doing stuff. We're doing it. We're getting it done. Okay. Oh God. Yep, missed half of it. I am truly soaked like a wet dog now.